Yep, we're just gonna do another music video. And person's probably end up being music. Yes, sorry about my finger getting in the way. Oh, fuck. Crap, crap. He went that way. You think we should go that way? It looked like he had two guns. I just threw my gun down, started shooting crap. I think he hit me. I don't know. I don't know. I'm in pain though. Ah, crap. We getting right back out here. You ain't supposed to see that. You ain't supposed to see that. The adventures with me. Hope y'all have fun. That was like the best one ever. That ain't gonna be a good one. We're gonna do another one after this. That means we're gonna have more people. They're on the way. This time we get dogs. What the crap is that? I don't know what the crap that is. Sure will fly though. Outlaw. Shout out to Outlaw. Y'all need to go look his page up if you ain't never seen him. But if you know who Outlaw is, share and like his page. If you liked it, like it. If you disliked it, don't like it. It don't matter to me. I think I have one shot left, but really don't know till we get back up to the home base. I'm pretty sure I have one shot left. Can't check it till they said no checking your guns till you get back up to the home base. But then, even if I do, I'm gonna throw that thing back up in there. Cause I know there's like still two people out there. Cause I seen them running, dude. And we're gonna play Redneck Soldiers. If you don't like them, then dislike the video. Comment. We're looking for fan stuff. My guns ain't really bad. We need the good guns. And everybody else got the dagger, sawed-off shotgun version with the dagger. I don't know what the hell it's called. Musky dimes. Anything. Probably snakes up in here. I shot both my gun bullets. I don't know if y'all heard that. But it's sure dang hot out here. It's like 54 degrees. Well, whenever I get my four-wheeler fixed, we're riding that thing. Oh well, so. It's my house. Guess I'm gonna post this on. Tagger and you too. It's hot. It's hot. I shot that thing. I would. It made me carry that crap all the way up to the house. Well, not my house, Uncle Wayne's house. I loaded up for him, take it to him somehow. My papa. I'm gonna put my guns back in my truck here. We'll come out with you. Hey, Milo! That's my cousin's dog. That's my dog. We need my dog. We just gonna put this out here.
No, you can't get up in the truck. No, you can't get in the truck.
Sorry about that, y'all. We gotta go. I'm gonna push this on you too. Yep. My cousin's dog. My mama's in the pool.